I like coming to the Y for the people. There's a lot of nice women and men that go here. The instructors are very helpful.
I feel comfortable here. I don't feel like anybody's pointing at me if I can't do something. The teachers have always been wonderful about adapting things to what I can do and not do.
So the YMCA, when I discovered it, what an amazing facility and resource for our community. And each one I've visited and the people that I've met there have just been outstanding. They're there to do their job, but they're there to do it with love and care.
It's me moving, because when I was at home, I didn't move that much. And when I come here, I get stuff, when I can hold up, and I just keep going. It motivates me. It keeps me going. I like coming.
You need to work at the fact of trying to keep your mind stimulated. I'm retired, so when you retire, you don't want to just sit back and do nothing. So line dancing really helps you, your memory, your brain, stimulate, exercise your brain, exercise your body, all different aspects of your body, your balance, and all of that, your coordination and all of those things. Is that I had an accident back in 2003 where I slipped and fell while I exercising in the gym and fractured my skull. In fact, I was told that my balance and my coordination would be off for the rest of my life after that accident. But you see, that hasn't happened.
I was really messed up, and when I first came, she was still signing up. I wasn't gonna sign up, and Jamie came running out with this mom. And she started talking about Silver Singer, so we checked it out. I've been coming ever since. When I came, I liked it. I was sitting in the back. I was on the back for a while, then I kept moving on up till I got to the front.
I think the Y is doing a great job, because I talked to a lot of different seniors. When my mother was alive, I had her coming. She used to come to the cheer yoga. I said, just do whatever you can, and she loved it too. She loved the trips. We used to go on the trips. But I think it's great for seniors. They have something to do, meet other people, be around people their own age.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2013. Right after I moved here, I didn't know anybody. And at the same time, the YMCA was rolling out the Live Strong program. Even though I had been working out, I had been doing some things wrong, and they helped me, encouraged me, and led me on a journey that's made me stronger. The biggest thing for me with the Live Strong program is the care that was given to me, the encouragement that was given to me. And this is given to us by one of the greatest resources our communities have, which are the YMCAs. Because this program is at no cost to anyone, the YMCA funds every bit of it, and they do an amazing job.
I have bad knees, arthritis, and I've got a pretty severe shoulder problem. And I knew I needed to do more. And when I saw the letters and emails start coming about this enhanced program, I said, this sounds to me like starting from the beginning, exactly what I've been looking for, and building my way up. When I started, I could barely walk. I was using a cane for everything. By about halfway through the program, I realized that I had stopped bringing the cane in. I just left it in the car. Well, not quite a year later, still had no need for the cane. I could barely walk to the mailbox in front of the house. I feel comfortable coming here and trying my best, and I never feel put down or embarrassed.
Line dancing stimulates this social aspects of bringing people together, enabling people to share in just everyday activities, learn and more about. And my belief is that every time you meet a new person, you enhance your life.
Thank you. It's a blessing for all the seniors, or even people that are not seniors, 50-year-olds. I think it's a good thing. They need to keep doing it, even for the young kids to keep doing it.
I feel wonderful, and I contribute a lot of that to the YMCA and the Live Strong program. What an amazing job they do for their communities.
I made such a difference in my life, and I think it probably does for a lot of other people, even if it's just for a social outlet.
Thank you very much for this program. It helped us a lot. Really helps me.